grandfather days, they scrape this, and that's what they used to get the fires. And when it dries, it doesn't burn out as fast. Like right now, it's burning quick.
Welcome to Middleham Falls. It took us about 45 minutes to an hour of moderate hiking to get here. This one starts at the base of Mount Micotrine, which is part of the Mount Wapito National Park. It's about roughly 250 feet from the water level to the top. The water is crystal clear, an excellent place for a refreshing swim on a nice day like today. Yeah.